Hi, I'm Sagar Wankhede. I have completed my graduation in 2018 from Amravati University, from Buldhana locations. After my graduations, I have worked in my core field, and after that, we have studied and prepared for the government exams there that time. But during my graduations, I'm much more interested in IT field, so I was started working and learning about the technicals related to the networking, CCNA virtualizations with Evision, and in our likewise virtualization, networking, CCNA, Windows administrations, and other tools also. So yeah, Evision Institute, and also we are providing virtual internships also. So I got selected right now in iSource solutions. So there I've got three LPA others. Yeah, thank you for the getting me the better opportunity to the Evisions. Thank you.